Morton, the sneezing bear cub. Here we have Morton the bear and Toby the wolf. At this time, Morton is 3 months old and Toby is 9 weeks old. I like to get some ground level stuff.
Plants.
This is probably what started Morton to get sneezing when he was eating whatever that plant is. That's Penny there, that dog. That brown animal to your right, that's a Aoudad, and his name is Dudley. And the young man there is zoo owner Jill's son, DJ.
You're not gonna bite my... Oh, Penny. Penny's gonna be nice. You're gonna be nice, ain't you, Penny?
This is the scene of the sneeze. I don't own the rights any longer and cannot show it. If you'd like to see this video, go to Youtube Channel Pettubedotcom and search on Never Ending Sneezing Bear.
I gotta get some of these together and send them in the funny videos. Yeah. I got a bare ass in my face.